Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Darmeshia West, independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay. We're in the 14 days of love. This is day number 7, and guess what it is? Bam! It is the Mary Kay special edition travel color bag. I love it, guys. Of course, I have one. I just want to demo to it. It has this clear through, see-through covering on here, and it's on the side. Gonna unzip it and take that out of there. But the thickness of it, you can see when you open it up, the thickness of it. It do have some eyelashes and some lips and lipstick, and it have Mary Kay logo on there. As you can see me through the bag. So that's the see-through. It do have some little slits in here. Little slits that you can put product in there. I'm going to show you a couple products that will fit in there. That I'm going to squeeze in there. Let's get this in here. Okay. I know you can do lipstick. You can do your foundation. You can do, what else we can do? I want to say the charcoal mask. I'm doing some bigger bottles so I can kind of show you how you can stretch the little band. I got some mascara right here, hit the floor. Mascara. What else I can, here we go. So I added a couple things in there. Makeup remover, some radiant facial peel. This is the exfoliating powder and mascara. You can put lipsticks in there, and you can do your makeup, like put it on top. This is a very versatile bag that you can add stuff with you to travel overnight trips. Something you want to store your makeup in if you're traveling, doing your makeup in the car. But I love it. Once again, this is day number 7, Mary Kay travel color bag. This is so pretty. It is pink like a powder pink. Cute little design on there. So, click the link if you would like to purchase. As always, if you have not, please like, comment, and share. Something that you may see, you may not like it, but you may know someone that will like what I'm showing. And this is a cute gift bag just in time for Valentine's Day. You can give it away empty, or you can put some items in there, some more Mary Kay products. All right, thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for day number 8 on tomorrow. Good night.